In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to manage client work. Trello is an incredibly versatile tool that helps organize projects and streamline productivity. Whether you're a freelancer juggling various clients or a project manager overseeing different teams, Trello can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and make your workflow more efficient. First, head over to Trello's website by typing in trello.com in your browser's search bar. Once you're there, you'll want to log in. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. If you have a Trello account, you can simply enter your email and password. You also have the option to log in using your Google account to make the process quicker. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Trello dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your command center where you can see all your boards at a glance. Now, to manage your client work, you'll need to navigate to your specific project board. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new board. All you have to do is click on the plus sign button and select the option to create a new board. Name your board something relevant. For this example, let's call it Client. Once you've created your board, it's time to add lists. Lists in Trello allow you to categorize tasks such as to do, in progress, and done. Simply click on Add a List and label it according to your client's needs. Feel free to add more lists by repeating this step to fully tailor the board to your workflow. Next, you'll want to populate these lists with specific tasks by adding cards. To do this, click on Add a Card, and then type in a name that identifies the task. Cards can represent anything from a piece of content you need to create to a client approval step, whatever fits into your project's framework. Once you've added cards, click on them to open up more options. Here you can add members to the card. This feature is useful if you're working in a team and need to assign tasks to specific people. Just click on members and search for your team member's name. Additionally, Trello allows you to enhance task visibility by adding labels. You can click on labels and choose from a variety of colors to signify different priorities or categories. You may also find it beneficial to use Trello's checklist feature within a card. By clicking on checklist, you can break down a task into smaller, manageable steps. This ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. And finally, setting due dates is essential for keeping projects on schedule. Click on Dates, select the deadline, and Trello will remind you as it approaches. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently use Trello to manage client work, enhancing your productivity and clarity. Remember, the more you use Trello, the more it becomes tailored to your working style, so feel free to explore and customize further. Until next time, happy organizing.